everybody, today on Henry's Tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make hot and spicy fried wings. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 1 kilo of chicken wings. So I've just got a mix of drumettes and wingettes here. Now you can do this on any cut you want, it's up to you. So what we're going to do is marinate this first. So we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of salt. Next we'll add about 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. 1 tablespoon of ground chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and we'll add about 1 cup of buttermilk to this. And all we're going to do is mix this all together and get everything nice and well coated. Okay, that's looking beautiful. So we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap. And we want to place this into the fridge and we want to leave this overnight because that buttermilk is going to tenderize and all those spices are going to get into our chicken wings, and that's what we want. If you are in a rush, leave it for about 4 hours and you can go ahead and use it. Okay guys, so at this point we'll preheat our deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. Just in a bowl here I've got about 2.5 cups of plain flour. We'll season this with 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. Now you don't have to add the parsley, but it does give it a very nice colour. So let's just mix that all together. And this will be our breading mixture. Okay, perfect. Let's move on. Alright guys, so here comes the fun part. Our deep fry's at 170 degrees Celsius. We've got our flour mixture here, our chicken here, and I've got my basket here. Now this can also be air fried if you want to do that. Obviously there is a difference between deep fried and air fried. Deep fried is always better. So guys, we're just going to get our chicken, give it a mix again, make sure everything's well coated. And working one by one, we'll add it into our flour mixture. Give that a good mix. And place that into our basket. Now depending on how big your deep fryer is, you may need to do this in a few different batches. Don't go overcrowding your basket, trust me. Alright guys, that's all of them in there. Provided your oil is hot enough, let's put them straight in. Just like so. So guys, as for cooking time for wings, you're looking anywhere around 8 to 10 minutes. Now we'll just give our baskets a little bit of a shake, just to make sure the wings aren't sticking together. Alright guys, so we're at the 10-minute mark now. And just look at those, nice and beautifully golden brown. So let's go ahead and take these out. And we're just going to let them rest here just for about a minute. Let all that oil come out. Alright guys, so before we plate it up, we'll just sprinkle a pinch of salt on top. It's very important to always season after frying. Alright, so let's plate up these beauties. I'm sure you can hear that crunch as well as I'm serving these up. Okay, and there we have it guys. Just serving it up with some horseradish relish there. And we'll just garnish that with a little bit of parsley to give it some colour. And just have a look at that. Okay, and there we have it guys. A very simple and quick recipe that you can make, ready for game day. And just by looking at it, does anyone else remember when KFC was really good? That's a thing of the past. Absolutely juicy and crunchy. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.